Hey everyone, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and today we are speaking about some misconceptions about accommodations for people suffering from cancer that we have run into recently. So the first, which was novel, was a novel argument made by who I assume was a not an employment attorney, just a normal attorney who probably didn't know his butt from the law, to keep it PG. He argued that chemotherapy is not a disability and so not due a reasonable accommodation. Okay. Yeah, chemotherapy is not a disability. However, cancer is, because it substantially impairs your ability to do your job and because it can be accommodated. So the treatment for cancer, in many situations, could be chemotherapy or radiation or a number of other things that you might engage in, all of which you might need time or accommodations for, right? So treatment is certainly something that can still be accommodated. If you break your leg, well, your cast is not a disability, but you still need accommodations, right? I mean, this argument makes no sense. I don't know where they get this stuff. I give them credit for trying to get creative, but that argument ultimately will severely harm the defendant in that case, because they're gonna, if they try to fight a case based on that theory, it's gonna get expensive, I suspect. The other lovely, ridiculous thing that we've heard recently is, hey, we can't accommodate your cancer because you're going to die, or you could die, and we can't accommodate that. That's not reasonable for us inherently. It's not reasonable for us to hang around working with somebody who could die. Yeah, so everyone can die at any moment. That's the human condition, and having cancer might raise your chances of that. I mean, every cancer is different, right? If you have, there are some cancers with a 99% survival rate, which is better than having the flu. You have a better chance of dying from the flu than certain cancers, right? Others, it's very dangerous. You certainly could lose your life. But the employer doesn't get to run the odds in your survival in their determination as to what is and is not a reasonable accommodation, right? We shouldn't have to, work with you on this disability and help you out in terms of getting your treatment, or wait around for your return while you use your family medical leave time because you might not survive. No, don't. That's not a thing. That's not going to work for them. Speak to an employment attorney. Do not listen to that nonsense. I'm surprised that people are brazen enough to make that argument. It's not going to work. So don't be fooled. As a cancer survivor myself, I had stage 4 head and neck cancer. You can probably see I got a big chunk of my neck cut out there. Definitely want to make sure that anyone dealing with treatment, anyone dealing with cancer gets the help they need, gets the workplace accommodations they need, gets the family medical leave time they need, whatever we can do. Please don't hesitate. Give us a call, 646-380-0035. And yeah, definitely we exist to help with that sort of thing. So good luck.